Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to autofill series in Excel. So there could be situations where your manager or someone comes up and tells you to enter numbers in series form like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or enter months January, February, March, April, or enter a series of years or a series of date. So you don't have to do it manually. You can automate that process. So what you have to do is you have to enter data in just two cells, and then you can drag those two cells. That will autofill the series, and this can be done vertically also and horizontally also. So I will quickly share some examples with you. So let's see the first example where we have to autofill numbers, which is the most common example. So what I will do is I'll just enter 1, 2, and then I select both these cells. Now you see there is a small square button at the bottom. So I select this and just drag it down. So it fills the numbers for me. I don't have to manually come up and enter every number. It will autofill those numbers. So this is the first example of auto series. You can also do the same thing with years. For example, I start with 1998, 1999, select the two cells and drag them down. See? It automatically tastes everything. You can do the same thing vertically also. For example, sorry, we already did vertically. You can do the same thing horizontally also. For example, I will enter Jan, Feb. Let's see what happens. I select the two cells and then I will drag them horizontally. So it comes up. And now you see, after December, it again takes up January. You don't have to worry what will happen after that. It will again start with January, February, March. Okay. One more common example is dates. Dates are a very common example. So what you can do is, for example, the date I'm making the video is 29th January 2024. So I will use that date. So it's 29/1/2024. So let's see what happens if I enter. Let me enter one more date. On 2024. Okay. Now I'll select these two dates. This is almost the end of January. Let's see if it goes to February. Let's select these, drag them. Oh yeah, it does go to February. Okay. Let's see if it is able to detect if it is a leap year. Would it give me 29 February or 28 February? Let's see what happens. Let's not go that down. Okay. Select them. Okay, so 2024 is a leap year. It is giving me 29 Feb. And then it goes to March. So these was some example of autofill series. These are very helpful. It does save a lot of time. I think most of the people know them, but in case you don't know it, so this is the way you do it. Just enter data in two cells, select those cells, and drag those cells. It can be done vertically also. It can be done horizontally also. We have seen both the examples, and that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.